everyone, welcome back to my channel, Best Life Lee. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you come back. I hope you'll hit the subscribe button. I do a lot of unboxings, I do a lot of DIYs, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a imPRESS nails that I recently ordered. I hate sitting at the nail salon and getting my nails done every 2 weeks and getting, you know, paying $20, $25, $30 every couple of weeks to get my nails done. I just, you know, I just don't, I've done it for years. I did it many years, but I discovered imPRESS nails, and they are the most easy to use, inexpensive way to have beautiful, professional looking nails. So what I wanted to show you today, I ordered 3. I've done bigger orders, and they, you know, I get 2 sets of nails out of each package. The first one obviously are the ones that fit my nails to a T. Then the second round that I do, they're not as perfect, but no one knows but me, and they last for a week. I put them on and I don't have to even think about them for a week. If you put them on right, and there's really no science to it, you just have to really press and hold them on there for a good 30 seconds, and you're ready to go. And to take them off, it's really nothing difficult at all. After about a week, they're ready to come off, and I just use one of the little cuticle sticks, the wooden cuticle sticks, and I just kind of find a spot there where I can push it in and lift it up. And I'll show you my nails. I am like about 2 days of having taken off the set that I had on, and I kind of let them air out every once in a while and just let them breathe. And you can see a little bit of I don't know if you'd call it discoloration, or a little bit of, because I do have to file off the glue, but I don't file the nail itself. I just kind of file it to take the glue off, so it doesn't ruin your nails. Imagine what they look like if you were to take off the acrylic that you have done at the salon. They don't look very good. So this is way better. I think it's healthier for the nail. And the good thing too is that, like me, I get bored very easily. I get sick of things, sick of the nail color very easily, very quickly. So it's something I can change up often, and it's just fun, and it's inexpensive. So what I wanted to show you today is what I got, and I'll kind of explain them to you if you don't already know. Have an excellent experience. So I'm just going to show you the nails. I'm just going to unbox them, take them out of the envelope that they came in, and tell you which ones I'm going to put on. Yeah, hopefully you like it. Hopefully you will give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you will, and I hope that you'll come back to see what I'm up to next. So with that in mind, I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope to talk to you again soon. Alrighty, so let's see what we've got. I got some French, and these are a little bit, they're not mediums, so they're probably, I like to get usually the short ones, and those look pretty good. Those look pretty short. And then I got, ooh, these are really, really pretty. They're kind of like a, I don't know, I guess a fuchsia color. And the last one is just a nude. Okay, so, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see a little tiny bit of discoloration on my nails, but they're still shiny. They still look healthy. They're definitely not in bad shape at all. So this was, like I say, after 2 days of having them off. And I think that I might want to put, I'm in the mood for French. And you can see that they give you some real bling nails, but then, you know, you don't have to use the bling. So there's no glue involved whatsoever. The glue is already on the nails. The only prep, like I say, if you've already taken off your other nails, or if you have not tried them yet, the only prep, they give you a little wipe to wipe the nails. And what I usually do is I'll like dump them out and find all the sizes that I need for my set. And you know, I'm not like, I don't go crazy trying to find the exact. I'm going to take out the bling for now because I don't want those. I just want the regular. So, and you want them to really fit the nail. You don't want them to be too big. You almost want them to be a little smaller, because when you push them down, they sort of get a little bigger on the nail itself. I gotta get my glasses. That looks like the same size. So I'm just going to find all of my sizes. And again, as I said, you want a little smaller than you think you need, just because it's going to spread out when you push it down. So I have all the nails that I'm going to use. Okay. All right. So I just line them up like this, and then all I'm going to do is start putting them on. Now, I always start with the pinky finger on this, and then work my way this way. That way I'm doing my thumbs last. And so it's got a little piece of film that is covering the glue. So first of all, I want to wipe all the nail, because that will take any oil that's present on the nail that could cause it to lift. It will take that off. And granted, when I'm doing my second set out of here, I won't have this anymore, and I won't necessarily use this. You could use an acetone nail polish remover that I think would work just as well, because it kind of smells like that. All right, so now I'm just going to take my baby nail. I'm going to take this little thing off, and these are not easy to get off your finger because they kind of like have static. So I just want to kind of push it down into the cuticle and find that it fits good on the nail, and then I'm really going to press on it. I'm going to press down nice and hard for a few seconds. I mean, you don't have to sit here for 10 minutes with it, but you just want to push down nice and hard, because that's what makes the nail, that's what activates the glue. So I hold it down there for, you know, not forever, but give it a good few seconds to really adhere, and then move on. Activating the glue. And I'm somebody who does dishes. I'm constantly like opening cans, like cat food cans, and I don't have any problem. I mean, obviously you don't want to, I mean, if you lift something and you lift up the nail, you're going to pull it off, but I mean, for everyday normal life, these are great. Always have my hands in water, and that's probably why they only last me a week. If you don't do a lot of dishes, you might get 2 weeks out of them. Literally just pressing this on. I have done the nails where you use glue, and I don't like them for a couple of reasons. One, I just cannot seem to get it done without gluing my nails, gluing my fingers together, or getting the glue on something. And if you wanted to do the French, the clear, you have to get the glue on just so, or you will get bubbles, air bubbles. And I can see just a tiny little bit of air bubbles on these, but nothing anywhere near what the glue does when you try to glue them on yourself. And there we go. There we have it. French nails. Hello, CJ. Hi, little boy. Here's my French manicure in about not even 10 minutes. I think they look really good.